Thousands of Floridians are under court-ordered guardianship, a system in which a judge declares a person to be incapacitated and then assigns a professional guardianship to take over their lives. Well, for more than 7 years now, I-Team investigator Adam Walser has combed through thousands of court records, exposing instances of exploitation and abuse of vulnerable seniors by their guardians. Now he's uncovered attorneys who represent those guardians are trying to make it more difficult for the public to find out exactly what's going on in those cases.
I can dress myself, I can take a shower, I can walk.
It was more than 7 years ago when we first introduced you to Willie Burchow, a 99-year-old man wrongly placed in an Alzheimer's unit by his guardian.
There's lots of things wrong, lots of things. Got to be looked into.
Some of the things we've uncovered that were wrong: guardians selling homes and property under market value with no appraisals, guardians seeking do not resuscitate orders without consulting families or judges, and multiple guardians accused of financially exploiting those under their care. But an overhaul of the guardianship law proposed by the Real Property, Probate, and Trust Law section of the Florida Bar could prevent the public from seeing what goes on in guardianship cases in the future.
For the last 6 years, we sort of studied the code. We looked at what's being done nationally.
Bill Hennessy is chairman of the committee proposing rewriting the law. That committee recommends measures aimed at preserving the ward's right to privacy. Currently, things like health and financial records are kept confidential, but the new proposal expands these protections to all of the ward's private information. That includes records that show who is buying ward's property and at what price, how much guardians and their attorneys are billing wards, how often guardians actually visit their wards, and whether a ward asked the court to be reevaluated and released from guardianship, which happened in Willie Burchow's case.
The issue here that we're always going to try to balance is dealing with a person's privacy and dignity versus this issue of the good things that happen when you open the court file.
The best the bar can do is let's hide more records.
Guardianship reform advocate Rick Black believes the new rules will lead to more secrecy and exploitation. He says recent arrest of guardians in Florida proves there are a lot of problems not addressed in the proposed law.
Let's document what really has gone on and what allowed those 4 that have now been criminally arrested to flourish within this system that would appear to be more about profiteering than about protection.
Hennessy says the new law addresses plenty of issues aimed at protecting wards, and he looks forward to working with others to come up with a final version of the law.
We all need to be working together to protect these folks, and we're going to have a good dialogue together in the legislature.
The proposed rules must first be approved by the Florida Bar Board of Governors. That section will then lobby lawmakers to draft a new bill for the upcoming legislative session. I'm I-Team investigator Adam Walser, taking action for you.